First impression is definitely, it's fast as shit.
Patrick Evans goes to the top.
Yeah, he overtakes Parsons here.
Patrick Evans.
Big whip looks all the way back.
Easily the most improved rider this year and maybe the best.
Testing the Stark Varg, see how I like electric power. I figured come to the track and start here and kind of get like a safer gauge of power. And I don't know, I've never ridden a bike without gears, so it's gonna be pretty interesting to figure that out.
And they want a story, wanna talk about me, don't know enough about me.
Even though I was really excited to get on the electric bike, I figured it'd be a good idea to go rip around on my 450. I haven't been to Fox in a long time, so I figured I'd check the track out and get a good gauge of what it felt like on that bike before switching over.
Nice one.
Thanks.
Save your breath on me. Don't shake my hand and play my friend. It won't take too long to see how you throw dirt on me. Cut me, but I didn't bleed. I'm still on my feet. Always want your head. Love you when you're dead. I've been on the run since I was young. You're on the course, and they want a story. Wanna talk about me, don't know enough about me. You're on the course, and they want a story.
This is your horsepower. This is your engine braking, regen braking. So you can slide it from 10 horsepower all the way up to 80. And then same with your regen from 0 all the way up to 100.
It was definitely a weird feeling initially, like not having a clutch, not having a shifter. Just like little stuff just felt kind of bizarre. But after like 3 laps, I started kind of figuring out how to ride it. First impression is definitely, it's fast as shit.
Pretty over it. Over it?
Pretty tired.
Yeah.
It's fun though.
It's a lot of ride time.
My hands are hurting right now.
Oh, dude, I bet.
The next day I went over to Maddos' house to try hitting some ramps on it. The stock suspension is actually pretty stiff on that thing, so I just went all the way stiff on the clickers and it felt pretty good.
Yeah, you know there's a certain angle that you get to that.
Dude, they turn really good too. The coolest thing was you can go from wide open to immediately braking without having to worry about clutch or anything. Just wah to immediately stopping, like instant. So like you can power like a straight away to a turn, like you're gonna dominate, and it brakes so good. The shape is good. It's just I need some grip tape.
I'm at 50 horsepower, so it's got 30 more horsepower, right?
Yeah, I think flip would be easy. It's just the wind's so bad right now.
Do you want to do one in the pit?
Not really. It looks scarier than doing it to dirt.
Yeah.
I think it'd be easy.
Yeah. No, good. Use the wind as you got for sure. Cause
yeah, I'm gonna wait for a minute. I hope it dies down, but I doubt it will.
Yeah.
So it ended up being super windy the day at Maddos, and I just wasn't really able to get much done. Like just hitting the 75 straight was pretty sketchy. Twitch was having a Halloween party at his house that night, so I figured we'd just stay out there, try to get another session in the morning at Maddos' house if the wind was not as bad. Went over to Air to chill out for a little bit and charge up the bikes, and Wacker was there trying to get ready for the Halloween party. How many do you have on here?
We're gonna be here forever.
I told you we had time for business meetings, dude.
Dude, it's like I'm filming an actual like tattoo artist like work. I almost didn't want to get in his way for a second there, like it was so serious. We're 4 hours into the chair so far.
I gotta sit down for this. No way. I like it, dude. Let's get a pic. Hey, we gotta get a knuckle pic, dude.
We responsibly partied at Twitch's house, and now we're up 8:52, about to go to Maddos for day 3 on the Stark. No wind today, so hopefully we'll start really feeling what it can do on the whip side, and hopefully flip it and really get this thing dialed.
Woo!
Woo. Really excited to actually get first-hand experience on it, and yeah, it's awesome. You definitely ride it different than a 450. It's like a 2-stroke and a 4-stroke and an electric bike. Like they're all just kind of different. You ride them different, but it's just kind of like more the merrier. Now there's another platform that we can go have fun on.